Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Ninja. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own ringtones and export it to make like the best ringtones ever. My ringtone is really cool, so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So all you'll need for this to happen is two apps. One app is called Garage Ringtone, right there. The other app is called GarageBand. So first you're going to want to head into Garage Ringtone. Then click Create Ringtone. Right there. It's flipped. Sorry. So then press this. It's going to prompt you with three things. Share to TikTok, share from documents, share from video library. I like to do video library, but yeah. So then video library. Then pick anything from your camera roll. It's going to appear here. And you can edit the clip. You can make it shorter, make it longer. Then when you're done, press save. Then press install. It's going to show up some share options. Then just share it to GarageBand. And on GarageBand, it's going to be on Recents. Like that. Now from Recents, hold down on the project that you want. Scroll down until you see share. When you press share, it's gonna come up with a few share options. Press the middle one that says ringtone. Then it's gonna export it to your ringtones. So then go to your ringtones. Then you're going to see project up there on the first one. Click project, then you're all set. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like.